So for all my projects, I always start off with designing on paper with these mechanical pencils. But I don't have a good way to carry these around. So I want to fix that by creating a pencil case that not only will hold these, but all my other frequently used items. Now, I don't want to make a hard one like this. I want something flexible and foldable. So I'm gonna see what I can do with TPU. First off, this is probably my most unexpectedly complex project, and you'll see why. Now, TPU is a really cool material. It's flexible and it kind of feels like rubber, although it does have some constraints. It doesn't do as well on overhangs, and the supports are a lot harder to get rid of. Now, this presented me with a challenge, and to be honest, I'm still working on the solution. But for my first prototype, I decided to make the slots where the pens and the mechanical pencils will sit as domes. I figured they would have the best chance without any supports, and print some other components out of PLA that would act as pockets for other uses. I designed this all in Fusion 360, and then I sent it off to the printer. In the first print, I ran into some issues on the first layer. I'm not sure what the problem is. I think it was something on the bed, so I gave it a scrub and it looks like it's working. After that, I took it off with the most unsatisfying feel. So here we are the next day, because this took 8 hours to print. So first impressions, I'm not happy with it at all. This is way too thick, and you can actually see the infill when you scrunch it up. The fact that there was infill and unsupported layers on top means the top layer doesn't really look that great. And the domes that I've created here not only don't work well for their intended purpose, they also didn't turn out well because of the lack of support. Although I've thought of a million ways to improve this and already started on my next design. So make sure you're subscribed for part 2.